You know, I was over in England. Who here's been to England can verify something for me. No one has handguns in England, not even the cops. True. Now, in England last year, they had 14 deaths from handguns. 14. Probably American tourists. Call this a sandwich? I don't want any more fucking French fries. They're called chips. We eat them. The food sucks. Case closed. Okay. You don't boil pizza. Sorry. Another plaid mass murder up in Big Ben. 14 deaths from handguns. Now, in the United States, and I think you know how we feel about handguns, I'm getting a warm, tingly feeling just saying the word. 23,000 deaths from handguns last year. Let's go through those numbers again because they're a little baffling at first glance. England, where no one has a gun, 14 deaths. United States, and I think you know how we feel about guns. I'm getting a stiffy. 23,000 deaths from handguns. But there's no connection there. You'd be a fool and a communist to make one. There's no connection between having a gun and shooting someone with it and not having a gun and not shooting someone. Some of you probably are trying to make a connection out there. There is none. It's futile. Cut it out. Okay. Admittedly, last year in England, they had 23,000 deaths per soccer game. All right. All right. Not saying every system is flawless. But it's really weird. They have no guns, and yet they have a very high crime rate in England, which tells you how polite the fucking English are. Give me your wallet. All right. How do you have a crime rate and no weapons? That's what I want to know. Does a guy walk into a bank? Give me all your money! I've got a soccer ball! Shit, Ian, that's a Spalding. He's serious. Hand over the pound, hand over the pound! And all my friends over there in Britain trying to sympathize with me. Oh, Bill, crime is horrible. Bill, if it's any consolation, crime is horrible here too. This is Hobbiton and I'm Bilbo Hicks. You live in a land of fairies and elves compared to us. Don't you ever compare your fucking crime to America's crime. You gotta see British crime. It's fucking hilarious, man. The front page of the paper I read one day. Yesterday, some hooligans knocked over a dustbin in Shaftesbury. The hooligans are loose, the hooligans are loose. What if they become ruffians? I would hate to be a dustbin in Shaftesbury tonight. Sounds goofy, doesn't it? Hooligans? Picture real pale guys in penny loafers and no socks. We're the hooligans. Oh, come here. Nope, got to catch us. You corner me, I might become a scallywag. Let me just say, what is that? Hooligan, ruffian, scallywag? Speak English. It's crap and blood. I'd love to put the hooligans up against the Bloods in L.A. That would be a real short gang war, wouldn't it? We're the hooligans. Huh? Hula something. I didn't catch it all. The motherfucker skipped up to me and patted me on the head. I don't know what he's thinking. He's a dead motherfucker now. Hula something. I didn't hear all of it. Pale motherfucker. Look at that thing, man. Holy
seen anyone so motherfucking pale? Look at the teeth on that thing. Brown. Hula or something. I don't know. Probably led by Nancy well.
So I watched the riots. You know, I was over there in the UK and I saw a special on the Rodney King trial. And I think watching that, because I never saw the trial while I was here. I saw the trial over there. I think I figured out how the riots occurred. You see these cops testifying? Do these guys have balls or what, man? These guys carry their balls in a wheelbarrow, man. Excuse me, excuse me. And with big balls is here to testify. Place your right testicle on the back. This guy, Officer Coon. Is it me or is life real weird right now? Isn't it a little weird? Does it feel a little shaky when you walk? Take a big one. Please God, please God, please God. Officer Coon looks in the camera and actually goes, "Oh, the Rodney King beating tape? It's all in how you look at it." Courtroom murmurs, "Jesus, what balls!" I have never seen balls of this magnitude. He must have a specially fitted uniform in which to place his large testicles, because there's just no way. Normal pants would contain such huge jewels. It's all in how you look at it, Officer Coon. Would you care to tell the court how you look at that? Well, yeah, okay. You all right? See, it's how you look at the tape. For instance, well, if you play it backwards, you see us help King up and send him on his way. Not guilty. Excuse me, excuse me. Man with big balls has just been acquitted. Soccer ball. Oh, Ian and the soccer ball. Well, that's all true, man. That's all fucking true. I was over in England, and the day they announced the U.S. had 23,000 deaths due to handguns. 23,000. I'm over in England, and they announced they have 14 deaths. 14. Probably American tourists. Killing people over the fucking food situation. Oh, this is a sandwich. There's no meat on the bread. That's how we eat sandwiches. That's how we eat them. I want some fucking ice in my drink. We don't drink ice. We don't drink it. Don't want any more French fries. They're not fries. They're chips. They're chips. Well, they love that shit too. French fries. They call them chips. They come with everything. I love fries as much as the next guy. Don't get me wrong. If you leave here tonight with one message, and that is that Bill doesn't like fries, you missed the show. Fries? Love them. But every fucking time you eat, that's too many fries. You're over your spud quota. My spud quota way down there. Everything. I saw hookers on London streets going, "Head and chips." You may think you've gotten good head before, but unless you've had it with a big hot piping plate of fries in front of you. Civilized. You know, we can learn a lot from the Brits. They, an ancient culture, steeped in tradition. And we, a young upstart nation, with all the nuclear weapons. How did that work? They get the customs, we get the warheads. But it's true, man. 23,000 deaths of handguns, or guns in general, I'd say. And they had 14 deaths due to okay, admittedly, they have about 20,000 deaths per soccer game over there, but I'm doing it for you. I'm a jukebox. Stick a quarter in my butt, push A12. I'm a little performing monkey boy. Do a flip, Billy. G12, that wouldn't be the old Elmer Dinkley routine, would it?